my friends. I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great. Once again, today also I brought for you the exclusive, elegant and unique, different at the market, which are viral collections I can talk about from this premium cotton section. Cotton silk. If I talk about these collections, are mixture of varieties like kalamkari print, brush printed sarees and motif printed, Valmiki printed, bridesmaids, bridal, Jaipuri pattern, uniformic sarees, formal, casual, stunning, all together at one segment. Yes, if you are a boutique reseller, you should not miss this video. And if anyone is looking for one similar color with different colors, so today I'm going to showcase you these varieties, which are cotton silk, the lightweight sarees, which are very classy and stylish for the office wear. Yes, I'm talking about the Koji silk product, which are one color with different design. So just have a look and subscribe the channel. Quickly, we will see all the varieties and you can place an order. The numbers are scrolling on the screen. And I just want to tell you the premium look varieties, the benefit is every saree you can showcase to your customers. Yes, this is what the Koji silk, which I'm talking about. The body part of the single saree, which highlights with how the blouse has been stitched and what is the pattern and how the saree looks of the pallu with the premium quality of the catalog, where you can easily sell your product. Yes, let's have a look. And these collections are every saree is having a mirror work, which is very mild. Office, when we go to the office, we always expect it should not be party wear, it should not very casual wear. But nowadays, as the digital world is keep on updating, some mirror work sarees also we can wear, but which looks very classy and formal. Yeah, I'm talking about here is the first pattern. Every saree indicates with the floral printed, which goes with a combination of Rama green and the mud grey color. So here the green with bottle green, you can see the mild thread. So here is the handloom thread work, where you can see the multiple lines, where you can see in the borders. This is the body of the kansan, the customized order I can say for these sarees. When I talk about the next saree, which is a beautiful navy blue, which goes with the official color, with the blue with the bottle green or the mehndi green, and here the kesar comes with the gray color combination, again the thread work which is highlighted. If I talk about the next color, which goes with a snaky pattern, which looks like this, and here also the color combinations are multicolor. You have a maroon, you have a purple, you have a bottle green, and this is a pattern. Every saree this is the classy and customized I can say, where you can go for the office. And coming to, if you are of office colleagues, where you can have 6 friends, you can also share with one color by buying. And even the resellers, you can talk to your dealers. When you are a dealer, then you can also suggest to your retailers, customers, where these kind of sarees with the bird printed, with beautiful lovely the mirror work, which is covered with the thread work. Every mirror work is covered with the thread work on the outer line. And here is a pattern which is pattern of the circle pattern, and the leafy only, not that much covered floral, but it is also very unique and elegant variety. These are always stunning and stylish, very lightweight to comfortable for carry long hours. And this is one of the pattern, where here the kesar color with the Rama green and the gray color, and here the border. Every saree is having a beautiful different design with similar borders you can see. So when I talk about the working teachers, even to celebrate some functions or get together, carry in the office or teach or college, professors, lecturers, all the ladies, you can also share with your surrounding. Even you can share with your friendly. So all these at one place. And we do have a similar party wears also. We do have many more varieties with the covered printed of the kalamkari print also. We have last video we have seen these kind of collections also. Yes, I just want to tell, every saree we are having updating. And when we talk about a clothing business, the frequently the fashion is getting updated. So you should also update your latest products in your business to make your customers to your shop to get in walking, to get the sales, to get updated in the profit. Yeah, you can always stock your fast moving product without out of stock. You have to keep update. When some stock is not moving, please give offer and move the dead stock. This I can tell you, and latest new varieties also you should update in your business. Okay. So hope you enjoyed. So let me know which color you liked it. Let me know in the comments. And I request everyone, my viewers, please follow Rani Talks Tamil and Telugu page also in the Instagram and YouTube page. And from which city you're watching the video, please let me know your name and city and what kind of collections you're looking for. So please let me know. I'll share the videos for you and keep supporting me. Next video will come with new more latest collections with the products. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.